a head bath after which new clothes are worn and religious prayer like Vishnu Sahasranamam, Aditya Hudayam, because it is the festival of the sun. So were recited and have a special darshan in temples. Doors and entrance gates are well decorated with garlands of the roses, marigold, chrysanthemum, etc. Floors were well cleaned after decorating with the rangolis of different colors. All this was done by my wife and daughter. A few special recipes are also made to recipes are made to add new flavor to the taste the lunch and the breakfast, which were offered first to the deities and then served to all of us. This is the way in which we celebrated the Sankranti last year. The third one being to first and describe the way you decorated and what is the mathematics included in it. So the doors are decorated with garlands where we see semicircle forms from which pass from one end to other end. Generally, when we garland it with semicircles will be formed. So there we see the beauty of the mathematics, and they are tied and rangolis are drawn in the form of lines, triangles, semicircles, circles, quadrilaterals of different types such as square, rhombus, rectangle. Borders are also drawn, making this is the way where we can see the mathematics in that. And fourth question being describe relationship between mathematics and the festivals. So I thought it is only firstly one festival, so I wrote down these only about related to the Sankranti. Mathematics is the key and gateway of all sciences. It is the subject perceived by every human being, knowingly or unknowingly. Everybody perceives the mathematics in his daily life from dawn to dusk. So in the festival Sankranti, actually it falls because of the transition of the sun when it takes place from the sign zodiac of Sagittarius, ధను రాశి నుంచి మకర రాశికి ప్రవేశం చేసినప్పుడు మకర సంక్రాంతి. సో ధనుర సంక్రాంతి నుంచి మకర సంక్రాంతి. సో టు సైన్ ఆఫ్ Sagittarius, to sign of zodiac Cancer, we call Makaram in the month of January and 14th day. It also considered Uttarayana Punyakalam begins from that where it lasts for 6 months and period of 6 months, and circles like spiral shaped paddy made food items, chakilam, chegodi, these are all prepared. Which are also we can see the mathematical shapes. So animals and buffaloes are washed to paint their horns, and during this festival decorations acquire a symmetrical structure, sir. A line symmetry, point symmetry we can see there. Even in Rangavalis also we can see that symmetry topic. So fifth one being what make you happy in festival, Sankranti festival. Any festival really brings a kind of togetherness in the mechanical life where we ignore our tradition and culture, the heritage. So this all will be once again reckoned with by celebrating the festivals in its own mode. So that way it brings a kind of new inspiration. Togetherness is the one thing where we can spend our the day in a sacred manner with our own family members, and that way togetherness and special dishes also will be there to welcome us on that day, and chanting shlokas, pujas and such traditional things we can be performed. So thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir.